Welcome to Compare to Win. The best magnetic blinds is probably one of the most innovative and convenient window treatments to hit the market in years, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic combined with unparalleled ease of use. Imagine effortlessly adjusting your window coverings with a simple pull or push, no cords, no fuss, just pure, unadulterated convenience that enhances both the look and functionality of any room. These blinds are designed to seamlessly blend with your decor while providing excellent light control and privacy, making them a top choice for homeowners seeking a blend of style and practicality. Number 5. Achim Home Decor Cordless Mini Blinds, Pearl White. Introducing our new cordless mini blinds. They are designed to filter light while providing a clean, modern look for your windows. With no cords to get tangled, these blinds are a safe choice for homes with children and pets. Enjoy peace of mind with their child-safe design. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, they resist warping, fading, and sagging. You can count on their durability for years to come. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware and simple instructions. Hidden mounting brackets offer versatile inside, outside, or ceiling mounting options. Effortlessly adjust the light and privacy in your room. Simply lift or lower the bottom rail to change the height, and use the tilt wand for precise light control. Available in a variety of colors and lengths, you're sure to find the perfect fit for any room. Choose the style that best complements your home decor. What we like. If you're looking for a safe and simple window treatment, these are a great choice. The cordless design eliminates dangling cords, making them ideal for homes with children or pets. They offer a good balance of light filtering and privacy, perfect for everyday living spaces. What people say. These magnetic blinds are a game changer for my home office. The strong magnets keep them securely in place, and they block out light effectively, creating a focused environment. I love how easy it is to install and adjust these magnetic blinds. The sleek design complements my living room decor, and the magnetic feature makes them incredibly convenient to use. The quality of the material used in these magnetic blinds is excellent. They feel durable and well-made, and the magnetic closure is smooth and reliable. A great addition to any room. Number 4. Lego Classic Large Creative Brick Box 10698. Ignite your child's imagination with this versatile brick box. It's perfect for sparking pretend play and building anything they can dream up. With 33 vibrant colors and 8 different window and door elements, the possibilities are truly endless. They can create houses, vehicles, or anything in between. Equipped with 6 toy tires and wool rims, this set encourages hours of creative building and active playtime. Watch them transform into master builders. Expand their building horizons. This playset seamlessly integrates with all other LEGO construction sets for limitless creative adventures. Featuring large base plates and 790 pieces, this set offers substantial building potential for kids of all ages. It's ideal for both home and classroom fun. The clever packaging doubles as a convenient toy storage solution. Keep their creations tidy and ready for the next building session. What we like. This is not a blind, but a fantastic creative toy. If you have kids who love to build and imagine, this set provides endless possibilities. The included storage box is a bonus for keeping all those pieces organized. What people say. The variety of pieces allows for endless building possibilities, which keeps kids engaged and encourages imagination. The bricks fit together well and have the solid quality you'd expect. With 790 colorful pieces, including wheels, doors, windows, and a green base plate, he spends hours building cars, monsters, houses, and his own wild inventions. Number 3. RV Door Window Shade Cover. Introducing our RV Door Window Shade Cover, designed for ultimate convenience. It offers a foldable magnet design for easy storage and quick setup, ensuring you can enjoy your privacy anytime. Protect your RV interior from harmful UV rays with this shade. Its waterproof, thickened fabric and reflective coating keep the inside cool by reflecting sunlight. Gain peace of mind with enhanced camper privacy. This cover acts as an effective barrier, so you can relax without worrying about outside visibility. Installation is a breeze thanks to the built-in magnets. Simply attach it to your RV door window frame for a secure fit, no tools needed. Ideal for all your camping trips and road travels. This versatile shade is suitable for various RVs and trailers, providing comfort wherever you go. What we like. For RV owners, this is a game changer for privacy and comfort on the road. The magnetic design makes installation and removal a breeze, and the blackout feature keeps your space cool and private. If you value convenience and protection during your travels, this is the one. What people say. This was easy to install and fits nicely over the window on the door. This window shade fixed that problem and will keep the camper cooler on hot days. I like that you can flip it up in sections, allowing for more light to come in. The best part of this is that you don't have to deal with a loose shade hanging and moving when you open and close the door. This shake stays in place. Love that this is only Velcro on top and magnetic on side, so you can flip it open if you would like, unlike those with Velcro on all sides. I also like that it has layers with black fabric on both sides and the insulation layer sun reflection in the middle. Fits window perfectly. Packaged well. Easy assembly and well marked. This product will work great with keeping camper cooler and keep street lights from outside light from shining into our sleeping area at night. Easy to install and works great to block out the morning sun rising. Number 2. H.VERSAILTEX Blackout French Door Curtain. Introducing our premium French door curtain, designed for easy, tool-free installation. It comes with everything you need, including a free tie-up strap, for a perfect fit and effortless style. Experience complete darkness and privacy with these curtains. Crafted with a black liner backing, they effectively block out 100% of sunlight and UV rays, while also reducing noise. These elegant curtains offer multiple functions. They provide full privacy when closed, or can be tied up to let in beautiful diffused light, enhancing your space. Not only do they add a refreshing charm to your glass doors, but they also help reduce energy usage. Enjoy both style and practicality with this functional drapery. Maintaining these curtains is simple. They are machine washable in cold water and easy to care for, ensuring their beauty and functionality for years to come. Ideal for patio doors, sliding glass doors, or entry doors, these curtains offer a perfect blend of privacy and light control for any entryway. What we like. If you need complete darkness and energy efficiency for your French doors or side lights, look no further. This curtain offers true blackout capabilities and helps insulate your home. It's perfect for bedrooms or any room where light control and privacy are paramount. What people say. Super easy to put up, fit perfect, and they are actually 100% blackout. Elegance and blackout? That's so rare to find a blackout curtain that'll actually block the light and look beautiful to the eye. These are made of a heavy, thick material. Completely blacks out the window on my front door for both privacy and darkness when I need it. No problems with it sticking to the door either. Easy to do, and comes with a secondary strip for when I move if I choose to take it with me. Number 1. AJAZZ 100% Blackout Sliding Door Curtains. Enjoy a completely dark room with our 100% blackout curtains. Made from durable, triple-layer fabric, they create a peaceful atmosphere perfect for rest and focus. When not in use, it folds away neatly in an accordion style. This hidden design keeps your space looking tidy and enhances your home's aesthetic. Effortlessly fold and secure it with the magnetic clasp. This simple mechanism allows quick access and helps keep out unwanted pests and odors. Ideal for bedrooms and living rooms, it also works perfectly as a door curtain, partition, or for wardrobes. Enhance privacy and style throughout your home. Installation is a breeze with all fixtures included, no professional help needed. You can even trim it to your desired height. Plus, it's machine washable for easy maintenance. What we like. This option is excellent for those seeking a sleek, modern solution for sliding or patio doors. The accordion fold design saves space, and the magnetic closure ensures a neat finish and keeps out unwanted elements. If you want a stylish, functional, and easy-to-manage blackout curtain, this is a top contender. What people say. The material is sturdy, looks crisp, and closes well due to the strong magnets for each side of the door. It was very easy to install and came with all the tools needed, even a little saw. Blocks light and heat, easy to install, was a little long but easy to cut down. It's a heavier fabric than I had previously. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.